Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare, as you can see, mango. So I am going to prepare mango juice today. A very simple mango juice recipe. The ingredients that we require to prepare this mango juice are, here I have taken 3 mangoes and I have chopped them into small pieces. One cup sugar. It is about 100 grams. Ice cubes. And we are going to use water. So the first step that we are going to do is we'll take a blending jar and we will add these mangoes in the jar. So friends, here I have taken the mango pieces and also I have squeezed the seeds in this. Now I will put the sugar, ice cubes and half glass of water. Now I am going to cover this blender and I am going to blend this. Here friends, I have blended it. Blend it properly. Then as you can see, this is very thick. So we are going to add water to this. So here I have taken water in this blender jar so that the remaining pulp will come into it. Mix it. See, this is the perfect consistency of the juice. If you want to make it more thin, you have to add more water, but you have to add sugar according to that. So at this stage, if you want to add sugar, friends, please use the powder sugar. If you don't have the powder sugar, you can blend it in the mixie jar and then add it. So this is ready. I will pour it in the glasses. Here I have poured the juice in the glasses and I have just put the 2 mango pieces. We'll put ice cubes in it. Serve it chilled, friends. I hope you liked this simple mango juice recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.